On April 7, 2025, a trooper observed a silver Nissan Altima with a cracked windshield. When the trooper attempted a traffic stop, the driver fled, initiating a pursuit.
Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. 25 more, 1037, 1030.
The suspect made a U-turn and fled, then attempted another U-turn, driving head-on toward the trooper. Trooper performed a successful TVI near a private drive, stopping the vehicle. The suspect exited and fled on foot.
TVI, TVI, TVI. Get back here!
The trooper chased the suspect and was able to catch him about 150 yards from the scene. The male suspect was taken into custody without further incident. On April 7, 2025, Trooper was advised of an active pursuit. Trooper located the suspect vehicle, a white Ram pickup truck, and joined the chase. Due to traffic, Trooper repositioned to the passenger side and executed a successful pit maneuver, stopping the vehicle. The driver, Katie McMahon of Hampton, Arkansas, was taken into custody without further incident. On April 26, 2024, an officer spotted a previously reported stolen vehicle. When the officer attempted a traffic stop, the driver fled, initiating a pursuit. The suspect drove at dangerously high speeds, trying to evade capture, but officers stayed close behind, maintaining pursuit. The pursuit ended after the officer executed a PIT maneuver, causing the suspect's vehicle to spin out and overturn onto its roof. The suspect was then placed in handcuffs and arrested without further incident. On June 5, 2022, an officer observed a motorcycle traveling recklessly. The officer attempted a traffic stop, but the rider fled at high speed, initiating a pursuit.
Did you see it fire helicopters up?
He's only passing main and terrace now.
The motorcycle exited the interstate and continued fleeing through city streets, weaving through traffic and driving the wrong way.
Coming up on flat roads, running past flat roads. I believe he's trying to get off at flat shows. Passing flat shows now. Passing Gresham.
The rider re-entered the interstate and continued eastbound at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. Trooper Freeman eventually lost contact, but Corporal Smith picked up the pursuit near Candler Road.
Tag number X-Ray Lincoln 032 XL 0342 XL 0342 left lane.
What's your next secondary?
Stand by, we're coming up on now. Let's see. Coming up on Boulder Crest, about a mile from Boulder Crest, southbound.
Airbrushing Boulder Crest southbound. I'm going to cut you off after the next first every time.
Going northbound on Jonesboro Road. Right.
Stay right, right.
He's slowing down. Pull over. He's stopping. Get off the bike. Get off the bike. Get off the bike and get off. Get off the bike and get off. Get down.
The rider exited onto Jonesboro Road and began to slow down. Corporal Smith safely brought the pursuit to an end and placed the suspect into custody without further incident. On May 30th, 2021, while stationed to monitor speed, Trooper used a Pro Laser 3 to clock a gray Saturn VUE traveling at 73 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. The Trooper then activated his emergency lights to initiate a traffic stop.
Clear, no airport, Shady Grove Road.
The driver of the Saturn V UE abruptly fled the scene, entering a gas station parking lot before speeding off again. Trooper gave chase, reaching speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, as the suspect ran stop signs and crossed double yellow lines, showing reckless driving behavior.
Messed up now, boy.
Trooper decided to end the pursuit with a pit maneuver, successfully forcing the vehicle into a guardrail, which disabled it. The driver and passenger were ordered out of the vehicle and complied with verbal commands. Both suspects were taken into custody without further incident. A Pine Bluff police officer was involved in a vehicle accident following a pursuit that started with a routine traffic stop. The suspect fled, prompting the officer to pursue.
Right at a stop sign, still traffic westbound, coming up and taking to University, disregarding other traffic, reckless driving, condition good, dry roads, light traffic. Traffic west, Jenkins coming up, taking a flag. Speed approximately 90 miles per hour.
As both vehicles approached the railroad tracks near Pitts Road, the officer wrecked his vehicle attempting to cross. The officer sustained minor injuries and is expected to fully recover.
Let Pine Bluff know we got their car. Speed approximately 75 close to Hudson. 1016, 75 approaching Hudson. TBI. 1016.
The Arkansas State Police joined the pursuit and successfully performed a pit maneuver to stop the suspect. Authorities found guns and drugs inside the suspect's vehicle. Electric crews were called to repair a light pole damaged during the pursuit.